Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the tool deals that they got. Milwaukee DeWalt. So don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers. Yeah, as you walk in here, they already got the Christmas trees up. So $2.98 for this Husky toolbox. If you guys haven't seen the matte, there's a matte red, I believe. I saw that at one of the Home Depots. Really nice color. Even these are nice, but I like the matte red, the new matte colors that they're coming out with. $9.88 for a pack of 15. So that's not bad. If you use them for work, you know, for the yard, have a few extra for under $10. That's the new light that they're saying that they have. $49.99. It's a 445 lumen. It is a rechargeable. It comes with the charger inside, the Milwaukee charger. This is basically a USB charger thing, cable. But yeah, the red lithium, that's the new one. So I guess there's gonna be more coming out. I know there's one that's like 1,000 lumens or something like that. So we'll see. You got that kit. It's a brushed, I believe, for $199, a little overpriced. And they got the battery for $89. $349 for the circular saw and the hammer drill, I believe. A little pricey. $89 for the fan. Ryobi representative was here at the store, and he was telling me that they're gonna start on November, the early November, so it's gonna be probably November 2nd or something like that, that they're gonna start rolling out the sales. So be sure to check out this channel. Make sure you guys subscribe so you guys stay tuned for the latest and greatest deals. That's probably the best deal you're gonna get for impact driver, drill driver. 2 big batteries, not big, super big batteries, but they're 3 amp hour batteries. You're probably getting more for your buck with Makita here. You get a 3 amp hour battery, a charger in the bag, and a brushless tool for $99. That's the DeWalt stuff. $199 for that charger. It's interesting. It's like a jump starter charger thing, and I believe it's not from the batteries. I guess it has its own battery inside. $9.88 for the dual blade folding knife with wooden handle. That's interesting. I never seen something like this before. At least not in Husky. It's a nice little set there. $12.88 for 2 blades. And you got the chisel set there. It's a 5-piece. It's always nice to have something like that around the house. $19.97. You got some blades. $8.97 to $11.97 depending on what you need. All the way to 9 inches. $14.88. Wood and metal cutting. $14.97. And then yeah, they got their own section here for the Tough System 2.0. So 79 bucks is still on sale. So definitely check it out. Really nice. It seems pretty solid actually. This lock mechanism that they have, super solid. So, you know, I like that tray, that, you know, the small tray. You can have like small tools and stuff like that. But yeah, that's a great upgrade that they did. And you know that they have the pretty much the handless latch. You can one-handed latch. You know, put stack them up one top of the other, and basically use one hand to destack them. You know, unlock them basically. And yeah, we're still waiting on, like I said, November 2nd on these. Hopefully we can get some of these new tools, maybe in a battery deal or some sort of deal. Buy one get one free or something like that. Hopefully they'll have those new tools. We got still running the Makita buy one get one free. Basically you get a battery if you buy one of those kits at the bottom. So really good deals there. So they're still running that. If you're interested, probably the best bang for your buck with Makita. Makita is a great, solid, professional brand there. Same thing with Milwaukee M12. You can't go wrong. They're still running that deal. The M12, you buy basically a tool kit and you get a free battery. Same thing with the M18. The 349 fuel is probably the best one. If you get 2 tools or 2 kits, you can get the 6 amp hour, the pair of the 6 amp hours, or you can get one 5 amp hour, which the 6 amp hours are much better batteries. They're the newer batteries, 349 for that fuel. Those batteries, the high outputs, the HO, really great batteries either. And we got some titanium bits here from 1997. I'm just gonna wait. If you need them, grab them, but I would wait for the holiday, see what deals they got on these titanium bits. They always run good deals. And they got the buy more save more. The buy more save more. What from DeWalt, you can save up to $175 if you buy $4.99. Some guys are commenting or saying that they're combining the buy more and save more with the buy one and get one free tool or free battery. So I don't know exactly how that's working. That's a nice DeWalt phone accessory. You got the charger right there, $39.98. It's pretty heavy duty wires and chargers there. And that's a nice angle, like an angle piece there. Really nice. It's a Max Fit. 1997. I gotta pick one of those up. It's handy to have it around the house. They're still running the XRs, so 20 volt max XRs for $199. That's definitely a great deal. You get 2.0 amp hour batteries. And XR, remember guys, is one of the better lines that DeWalt has. I would say it's a step above the Atomic. And they got 4 different saws here, so there's a lot to choose from. Some newer ones, the warm drive up to the right top, the new flex bolts and the old flex bolts. So always be on the lookout for those prices, for the clearance prices. And if you guys haven't used these safety glasses, I would recommend them. These are great. If you get annoyed by them fogging up, these don't fog and they don't scratch that easy, so definitely recommend those for you guys. And then you got the pack out section here, really nice. I'm still waiting for a good deal so I can buy a good pack out system or a ToughSystem 2.0. I can't decide which one I'm gonna get, but hopefully in the Christmas time we'll see one of those deals and I'll pick one. That's the clearance section basically at this Home Depot. Not a lot of tools, mostly faucets and just household items here and there. Not a lot of tools. And yeah, they got the Ryobi. Used to be buy one get one free. Now they have it for $79. So, and we are coming out. We're gonna have one in the channel. So we're gonna have like a Amazon brand. Some company's gonna send me one. I can't remember the name of it, but stay tuned for that video. But I will be doing like a power washer, handheld power washer, battery operated. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully, if we can get it done this weekend. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.